serious question. When did you learn how to cut pineapple?
I didn't.
You didn't?
I didn't, I just kind of did it.
When did you get old enough to be able to reach the knives?
And I'm really short.
I know.
I don't get it. Right now, I am making a sandwich and we're pretty much packing a lunch for girls' camp. I am going to girls' camp this year. Last year I went, but because of COVID, we weren't actually able to leave. So this year we are finally able to actually go camping. So we have a spot that we're going to, and we are leaving today and we come back on my birthday. We are coming back on my birthday. I'm excited, and at the same time I'm a little sad, but it's okay.
Why are you sad? What makes you sad?
I don't know. Like,
to be gone on your birthday?
yeah, just a little bit, but we're gonna come home, and yeah, it'll be fun. Because that day we come home, and we get home around like 10:30. We'll be home pretty early, so it'll be nice.
Like, you're sad to be like just gone on your birthday?
Gone, yeah, and not with like my family.
Aww.
That's okay though. I will see them bright and early in the morning. Olivia is all packed and ready to go to girls' camp, but before she leaves, I'm like, you have voice lessons. I'm like, so please go downstairs and get ready for voice lessons. These kids, it's a busy day today. You just watch and see. Link, you've got to get dressed right now. Stop watching TV and get dressed right now.
Olivia always does voice lessons in her bedroom, and she does it on Zoom. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll leave you alone. Okay, turn your shirt around, Lincoln. Turn your shirt around, Boston.
How come his logo's in the front but his logo's in the back? Oh, I see. There's two logos.
There's two logos and they both had it on backwards. Okay, Cody, you grab the sleeping bag and we'll bring this out. Joel is bringing the trailer and he's going to help pack all the young women and drop them all off at camp. And then he's got to go back out to the property and finish working.
Well, you guys got me off at camp.
And I'm going to drop you off at camp.
You said let's jump on a bus and take a ride downtown. Well, I don't know about that. But can you help me first to get these boxes down?
We've got soccer camp that we're gonna go to, and they gave you guys awesome.
Last day.
Yeah, it's the last day. So we're gonna get a water bottles full of ice, and then we'll fill it up with water. And Joel just reminded me, he's like, you do know Lincoln gets done an hour before Boston. I was like, no. Lincoln, what have you been doing for an hour when I haven't picked you up early?
Oh, I just start playing with them or just play with my teachers.
And they're fine with that? I did not even realize. Okay.
Well, Dad knows because he stayed until it was done.
Oh, because you were editing there the other
Yeah, I
day.
had like a mezzanine, so I was like, I'm sitting right there and editing.
Nice. Joel came back to pick Olivia up. Goodbye, Olivia. Have so much fun. I'll see you on your birthday. Bye. Which leads me to my next situation of the day. Bye, guys. Love you. Okay. I don't have my Suburban. It is in the detail shop and I'm left with this. So I have to take the kids to their soccer camp in the Razor. Ask me if I'm excited. I'm not. Joel's like, it's so fun. I'm like, for you, I don't want to get in here. All right, let's go.
I'll start it for you. I know how to start it.
It's okay.
You just put the brakes on and just turn the key and then it'll turn on.
I do not have time for this. I do not have time for you. Oh, there's a fly right in my face. Okay, and Joel is smaller than me. Oh no, it fits. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, last time I tried putting this on, it was so tight, and I'm like, honey, I am not strong enough to like loosen these, and you can't lean forward. I mean, this is not enjoyable for me. I do not enjoy this. See, look, I can barely even get the camera. Got it. You guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's go to soccer camp. We made it. We made it. We made it. You guys look so sweet. You look so cute and handsome. I'm so glad you guys are doing this together. That was fun. However, my next ride is here. Joel got the girls packed up and then came to pick me up so that I can go get my Suburban. So, let's go get my Suburban.
I didn't want to just keep driving the Razor all day.
Actually, that was really fun.
Built-in air conditioning.
Well,
Or
it
blow
felt...
dryer, depending on the temperature.
It felt really good to just be out in the air. It's like 80 degrees already, but the sun's not out. That was fun. That was fun. All right, home sweet home. I've got my vehicle back, so that feels good. Woo, and I should be able to go get the kids now when I need to in my vehicle. Now, Joel and I are gonna go drop all the stuff off at the girls' camp for the girls. This is a big morning, honey. I wish we could like go get lunch when we were done. No, how come that just will not brighten back up? Do you see how it's like, it just will not equalize?
Put it on the dark.
I wish we could go get lunch when we were done, but that's just not in the cards today, huh?
Who needs lunch?
Yeah, who needs lunch anyway? I do, Toots.
No, we'll do dinner.
Yeah, right. We've got zoodles in the fridge that are gonna go bad. So we're having zoodles for dinner. This is my absolute favorite mountain range. I'm so sad to move just a little ways away from it. I see this every single day. It's so beautiful. I mean, and can you believe this huge old mountain is right, this is our backyard. It's just our backyard. This is just my favorite view. Love it. I'm gonna miss it. We'll still see it. Won't be the same though. It's 20 degrees cooler here than it was in Logan. It was about 80 degrees in Logan, and here, well, oh, 69. Just kidding.
It's 10 or 12 degrees different.
10, 12 degrees difference, but that makes like a big difference. As soon as we started pulling into all these trees, I was like, it's a little more chilly. Okay, I cannot believe that Olivia gets to spend her week here. I am so thrilled for her. This is going to be fantastic. I wish I could stay. I wish I could be a fly on the wall. As we were leaving, all the girls were pulling up. Every girl has their hair in braids. Everyone's excited. Like the whole mood and vibe of this. Oh, watch out. It's so great. I'm so thrilled for Olivia. She is going to, I know she's going to enjoy herself to the max. She's been so bummed that the last camps have not been like the full-on camps, you know, because of COVID and stuff. She's going to live her best life. I just love it. Hey Joel, what you doing? What? Don't forget your sunblock. Bye. Cody, come tell me your plan.
So Slade said they'll come pick me up around 10:45. I said, do I need to bring my fishing pole and my box of like bait and stuff? He was like, we got some extras if you want to. And I was like, yeah, I'll probably just bring it because I can share all the stuff in my tackle box.
Yeah. Question, do you know how to use that thing? Are you sure?
I've been fishing before, like kind of. Well,
I know you have.
6 times, I could say, because I went with Dad when I was younger. I went with Will and Zachary and caught the fish.
Lady, calm down.
I went to the same lake and fished and a few other things.
All right, you guys be really safe. I don't need to take anyone to get stitches for getting a line caught in their face.
So, what should I do with it?
Yeah, because if they need me, their mom can call me.
True.
You be super safe. I want you to go grab a thing of sunblock to take with you, just in case.
Okay.
Or at least get your face covered real good. Do you want to wear a hat?
We're gonna be doing the rope swing thing.
All right, please be so safe, okay? All right, very important. Coating you before you go.
My legs are brown.
They are very brown because you've been in the sun, which shows you some people don't wear sunblock because they want to get a tan. You will still get a tan with sunblock.
This is my best little bait catcher. Well, catcher. And don't worry, Mom, I'll be extra careful and I won't poke myself. Oh, there they are.
Okay, your ride's here. Let's go. Yeah, I'm basically planning on it. I'm so glad they have another one. I'm surprised that theirs.
They have one every week.
Yeah. Yep, we'll get looking at it because I think this is really good for you. Plus, next time when your ankle is less swollen, I bet you could do even better. You think? Link, do you want to do another one, or are you kind of pooped from it?
I love it.
You love it? Okay. Spent the afternoon relaxing, and then I spent a couple of hours editing. I edited for Joel. I clipped 2 vlogs, and now he's gonna come home and spice them up with some music. So I'm feeling pretty good about that. I'm going to make a lasagna for dinner. This is a veggie lasagna. It is the most basic, amazing thing you'll ever make. I swear the pan makes all the difference. I will link it in the description, but if you have like a really good non-stick, it'll be great. Okay, so I put a layer of tomato sauce and then zoodles, and Joel really likes the more firmness of, like, this is a butternut noodle, zoodle, a butternut noodle. So I'm going to just layer this right on top as well. Oh, that's kind of cold. Yeah, they are. Yes, my hands are clean. Okay, so we're just gonna mash that down. Lady's gonna pick up what just fell on the floor. Yes, it's like to the brim, but that doesn't matter because it cooks down really, really well. If you want it really saucy, I don't love it super saucy. There's plenty of moisture from the water in the noodles, so you can if you want to, but I'm just going to top it with pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna shred this and put it on top. We're gonna turn this on like medium low. You put the lid right on top, and because it has this hole, it vents really well, so I'm just going to let that cook down, and it's done when the noodles are soft. So super, super easy. And sometimes I'll make this and I'll buy, if I'm like, okay, I don't really have time to do a whole lot, I'll buy chicken parm from Olive Garden, just the chicken, and I'll pair that with it sometimes. But tonight, this is just what we're doing. Really simple. Uh-oh, Joel told me to grab the camera. Yeah?
Doing my part to bring a little bit of our new house home.
Oh. Wow. What did you do today? What were you doing?
Burying power and water and that was
Plumbing stuff, yeah.
Just utility work.
I am so I am so excited to like close the vlog, have dinner, and like just have my night with you. Yeah. Not even because I'm like, oh, it's been such a big day. It's actually been a phenomenal day. I've had the best day.
Oh yeah, me too.
Like, I feel so happy right now.
Looking forward to the evening.
Yeah. Maybe it's because we got lost in the woods today.
Found myself.
He found... Yeah. Did you say I found myself?
I found you. I recentered myself.
Oh, that's funny. All right, you know what? You know what?
It just keeps giving.
The shoes?
Oh, the socks, everything. You definitely have to do a double wash. No dryer only cycles.
I wouldn't even wash those, seriously.
What?
I would not even wash them. This smells like it's getting done, and I have to show you guys. To close the vlog, I'll just show you. And then, oh, see, it's good. It looks plain. I mean, it tastes simple, but it is so good. Joel actually requested this.
Oh, it's so yummy.
It's a wrap on the vlog. Adios.